B. Make sentences using these or those. These are bells. Those are socks. These are tomatoes. Those are flowers. These are bees. Those are carrots.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.